everyone, this is Cody at Lambda. In this video, I will show how to use the S3 adapter to interact with your Lambda file systems. So right now, I'm logged into my cloud dashboard and I'm on the storage page. And from this page, I'll create a file system by clicking Create File System at the top right and giving my file system a name and selecting the region that I want to create my file system in. So now I have my file system created and I see a bucket name. And in order to access this file system using the S3 adapter, I'll need to generate an API key. I'll generate that API key by going to API Keys, clicking File System S3 Adapter, then clicking Generate a Key Pair. I'll choose the region that I want to create the key pair in, and since I created my file system in the US East 2 region, I'll select that, then Generate Key Pair. Once the key pair is generated, I need to make sure to save this information because I'll only be able to see it once. Once I close this dialog box, the information is gone. So I'm clicking this copy icon to save these credentials. And in my terminal, I will edit my bash rc file and save these credentials as environment variables so that I can use them later. In order to interact with the S3 adapter in this video, I'll be using the S5 command. If I don't already have the S5 command installed, then I can download it from the releases page in the S5 command GitHub repository. So in my case, I don't already have it installed, so I will download it and then install it. I'm currently on an Ubuntu system, so I'll use apt to install it. So I just installed the S5 command program. Now, in order to use the file system, I have to obtain the UUID, also known as the bucket name, from my cloud dashboard. Once I have the bucket name, I can access it using the S5 command, as I'll show in a moment. So once I have the bucket name, I'll run S5 command ls to show the contents of the file system. And since I just created the file system, I don't expect there to be any files on it. So right now there's no output because there are no files existing on the file system. So for this video, I'll create a file named example.txt. And for the contents of the file, I'll say hello world. So I've saved that file, and now I'll copy it to my file system by running S5 command, copy example.txt, and I'll specify the bucket name, and the file has copied as indicated in this message. And I can confirm that the file was copied to the file system by running the ls command that I ran earlier. So this time when I run the ls command, I can see that on the file system is the file example.txt. If you want to learn more about using the S3 adapter with Lambda file systems, check out our documentation. If you're interested in running inference without having to launch an on-demand instance, check out our inference API, as well as Lambda.chat.